Hey there, I'm Victor and you're watching Incredible Victor. Today's video is about a quick tutorial to the Adobe Premiere Pro. As you know, this is a really very good video editing software on the PC, and this is one of the most professional video editor. So let's get started with it. So it's starting. So whenever you start with the Adobe Premiere Pro, you'll find a window like this, which will tell you about which project you want to start. So I'm going to start a new project, so I'm selecting a new project. So here you have to put down the name of your project if you want. So in this case, this is okay. I have set this thing, and by default I'm hitting enter to start the project. It will take a little bit of time. So now actually when you first open the Adobe Premiere Pro, you will not find the thing like this. This is customized as my demand. That means what I want to be on the display. But whenever you start, you will find a source monitor in this side, and this browser window will be appearing over here. This will be in the middle, and the timeline will be over there. So I just removed that source monitor, because if you wanna play something in the real time, then you can just simply double click on that, and that will play in the source monitor. Doesn't matter, no problem. That's why I just undocked that and placed the media browser over here and the display over here, and the timeline. I have a large size of a window for the timeline, because most of the things are gonna happen over here. That's it. So okay, when you enter to the Adobe Premiere Pro, this is not that simplistic video editing software. The interface is quite difficult, but this is really very easy to use when you will learn everything how to do this thing. So let's start with the media browser. Okay, I have opened it, and my folder is not this one. So this is the file which I want to use in this case. So I need to set import. So the file is imported in this window, and we can just simply click on it and drop into the timeline. So here we got our sequence. Now here we'll find various options over here, and a lot of things doing over there. So this is the selection tool, this is the cut tool, and some other tools which we actually don't use much. This is the text tool, if you want to insert any text, that thing. So at the top of the level we'll find some tabs like learning, assembly, editing, color, effects, audio, graphics, and libraries. So mainly we'll play between the learning, effects, and graphics. For simple editing, we'll need these things. Okay, now here on the timeline we can click it, and we can see the video file and the audio file over there. If we drag this, the audio will move with it, because both are linked now. If you want to unlink that, because I'm gonna insert a audio from the external source or other source, then simply right click and you'll find this tab and select unlink. Now the audio file is separated from the video file, and if you drag over here or there, this will not disappear. You can also link it together if you want. Just simply hit that link button. Okay. Now if you want to clear this thing, the whole thing will be clear. But if you unlink this first, then if you want to clear the audio will be clear. Okay, done. So now I'm gonna insert the audio. This is located. So now we're gonna insert sound like. For showing you, I'm just using a music from no copyright sounds, like this one, and simply drag it down. So here goes the audio of the file. We have that audio file. Now you can drag it over here or there. So in here you can just simply zoom in the timeline. So now here we can see the audio things and the video in a zoom form. You can simply drag over here and there. Oops, don't mind, I'm looking bad. This is raw. So now here we have. Now let me tell you some shortcut about this thing. You don't just need to press the control button. Just simply, if you press the C button, then check the cursor. This cursor will become the cut tool. So if you want to cut here, this will cut over here. You can see the clip is now separated in two portions. Now like this, if you have the marker on a specific side where you want to cut, then if you place this, you will find two arrows up and down. That means the cutting will be on the marker. Okay, done. So this is the cut tool. Then if you again click the V button or V on the keyboard, then this will become the select tool. No need to go in this panel. You just simply can C and V, C and V. Okay, now I've dragged it over here. So let's talk about the text tool. You wanna add in text on the video, just simply click on the text tool and then hit a single click on that, and there you go. So now here is a text box created, and whatever you want to type, you can type over there in gray. So okay, I have written Incredible Victor, my channel's name, on there, and if you want to change the color of the text, just simply go to the graphics and edit. Select the text, and here you go. Everything about the text is here. You can change the color from this panel. You can play with this. Now text color is changed, and we'll go back to the learning again. And I don't want this text over my face, so I'm clearing it up. And okay, let's talk about the effects control panel. This is the mostly used panel over there. You'll find some presets and lot of thing over there. Now if you set any effect on any of the sequence or clip or something, then select that clip. Okay, clip, and you'll find this effect controls. You can just simply reposition the footage up and down, side by side, increase the scale, and these are the things to make a keyframe. You can click on that and this will create a keyframe which you can control over here. Like let me show you. So I have selected keyframe for the scale, so we can see a keyframe is created over here. So now I click the result. Okay, you can just simply drag it a little bit and increase the scale. So whenever you are playing the video from this place to this place, this will just simply zooming. So that's it. That's how we edit in the Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is a quick tutorial to that how to edit. So now how to export the file. I'll recommend to just simply nest down all the thing in a single sequence. So if we click the next, this will ask for the nested sequence name, and I'm just hitting OK. So this is the file which we wanna produce. Actually I don't wanna produce that, but I'm doing it for you, so you guys. So let's select file, and here we got export, and then the media. We wanna export it as a media. So another window is opened here. The format you select H126. Presets is the math source, and output name is like this. If you select on the output name, you will find the output name and location editor here. So you can set anything on, whatever is this. Okay, now check everything over here and then select export. I don't want to export this thing now, that's why I'm not clicking it. If you select export, it will start rendering and